Okay. We will discuss the question paper set A MCQ. Just have a look of the set A MCQ. Those who are having the set A, check your MCQs. The branch of science that deals with the growing plants and raising livestock for human uses. Animal husbandry. Yes, it is not the agriculture, it was animal husbandry. Which of them is used as a solvent for dry cleaning? That is petrol, right? Then forest fire is an example of a spontaneous combustion. Paheli accidentally placed her hand over a flame and immediately pulled it back. She felt the sensation of the heat and reacted due to the action of nerve cell. Then identify the diagram. ठीक है, वो सबको पता था plant cell है. Plant cell means onion cell. ठीक है, options were given cheek cell, onion cell. So that was the onion cell. ये वाला. ठीक है, this is onion cell. Set A में, right? Then potters place a round piece of cloth on their heads to what they will do to decrease pressure. During dry weather, while combing hair, sometimes we experience hair flying apart. The force responsible for this is electrostatic. Rolling friction is less than sliding, क्योंकि दो का comparison है, right? A boy rolls a rubber ball on a wooden surface. The ball travels a short distance before coming to rest. To make the same ball travel longer distance before coming to rest, he may talcum powder वाली option थी, right? He used a talcum powder, right बेटा? Ganga action plan is associated with reduce Ganga water pollution, right? These were the MCQ of the set A. Those who are having the set B MCQ, yes, Prabal, unmute yourself.
आपकी आवाज मैम आ नहीं रही सही तरह से.
Okay. Set B MCQ. The practice of growing two or more dissimilar crop in the same field one after another is crop rotation. Which of them is used for the extraction of metal? Coke. The telephone number of the fire service in your area is? Those who had written 101. Okay. Those who had written 112. Okay. Is that clear? Then under a microscope, Paheli observe a cell that has a cell wall but no distinct nucleus. That cell, the cell that is observed is bacterial cell. Then identify the diagram, cheek cell. We are not crushed under the weight of our air because the pressure inside here, inside our body is equal to the pressure of the outside. If two forces act in the opposite direction on an object, the net force acting opposite है तो difference. 4 children were asked to arrange the forces due to rolling, static and sliding friction. The arrangement is given below. C option आना था. Rolling, sliding, static. ठीक है जी? Increasing order में था. Okay. Then gymnast applies some force substance on their hands to dash for better grip, increase friction. Greenhouse effect is, that is a definition, sun heats is trapped, D option. Now side by side I will discuss both the papers, question answers. Identify the type of the irrigation tool and select which one is the best and why, right? Ab in this question, wait a while Anve. Identify the type of irrigation. half mark की identification है, right? Half marks है which one is the best and half marks for why. Getting my point? जो animal वाला है that is राहत और दूसरी drip irrigation, ठीक है? और दूसरी तरफ था ढेकली and sprinkler, ठीक है? उन दोनों में से best कौन सा है? half marks उसका given है, half marks why. Whatever the reason you had written, time, money, जो भी है, we had given. Is it clear? Right? Then the next question is expand PCRA. It is of 1 mark, right? And 2 advices given by this. 1 mark क्या expand था PCRA. Those who had written anything like Petroleum Conservation Research Association, research की जगह पे reserve लिख दिया तो half mark deduct है. So no one will ask why. Is that clear? If the expand जो है full form is okay, then the marks are given. Otherwise half कटा होगा. Then 2 advices given by this. Any 2 advices: constant speed, moderate, stop your vehicle, anything you had written, 2 marks. Okay. On the other side, how was coal formed? Can it be prepared in the laboratory? That is again how coal was formed, puri explanation, and why it is not prepared in the laboratory. That is the reason के साथ लिखा है, because it takes millions of years. That's why we are not able to prepare. Set B. Set A, for fire involving electrical equipment and inflammable substances like petrol, which is the best extinguisher and why? Those who had written carbon dioxide, those who had written sand, we had given the marks. But if you had written fire extinguisher and the reason you are giving कि water is a good conductor of electricity, we will get shock, so I had not given the marks. Carbon dioxide, then you are explaining the carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen, yeah, to cut off the air supply, whatever the reason, with the carbon dioxide, then the marks are given. Is it clear? In both sets, same question tha, right? Then write 2 factors that affect fluid friction. यहाँ पे half mark deduct हुआ है बहुत बच्चों का. Listen, why? Write 2 factors that affect fluid friction. 2 factors, name लिखना था, like nature, shape, है ना, कोई भी density. If we are writing shape, then you have to write down a streamlined body. If not mentioned, then 1.5 marks is given. Half marks deduct. If reason is not given. On the other side, nature, दूसरी side पे था 2 factors on which force of friction depend, nature and weight. Again, reason is given कि smooth surface, rough surface, या more weight, less weight, full marks. Is it clear? Then global warming is a serious threat. Explain. Those who had written only threat, half marks will be deducted. Those who had written what is global warming, what are its serious threat, then the full marks. Getting my point? Clear? On the other side, B set में, what protects us from the UV rays coming from the sun? Ozone. What damages this protective layer cover? सारा उसको explain है, थोड़ा सा भी है, then you will. Then on the other side, when and where a major earthquake took place in India, and on the other side tsunami, right? 1 marks for the when and 1 mark for the where. Okay, those who had written year and place, marks given. Those who had written only place, 1 mark will be there. Clear? Those who had not written date but year they had written, so marks mile. Getting my point? Write down 3 products obtained when fractional distillation of petroleum is done. Most of the students attempted wrong. Petroleum में they are writing the coal products. Petroleum में products कौन से थे? Petrol, diesel, kerosene, but ये वाले, right? Half marks for the naming, मतलब petrol, diesel, kerosene, half mark, half करके, half mark for their uses. In the same way, coke वाले में, ठीक है, coke, coal tar, coal gas, and then their uses. Is it clear? Next, what is acid rain? That is for the 1 mark. Write 2 causes half mark के, and effect half mark. Acid rain definition 1 mark, half mark causes and half for the effects. ठीक है? On the other side, sorry, 17th question on the in set B, 2 products, हाँ coal वाला मैंने बता ही दिया. Write down 2 products obtained when coal is processed in industry, 2 names, then 1 characteristic and 1 use. 1 for that one and half for the name. Define calorific value, write its units, write down calorific value of petrol and LPG. Calorific value 1 mark, definition units 1 mark, and half of both the values. Okay. Draw a diagram of plant cell and label, right? Chloroplast, mitochondria. Those who had written the draw the diagram, 2 marks for the drawing hai, right? Proper diagram hai, the marks will be there. If anything is not clear, then half marks will be there. And the half of mark for the labeling. But those who had written all, those who labeled all the parts, marks deduct. Because I already told you, whatever they will ask, you have to label only and only those parts, not all. Clear? On the other side, animal cell, and label that part. How can you show that? Please see this question in the set A. How can you show that liquid exert pressure on the walls of the container? Those who had written dam, that is not the activity, that is the application of that one. Those, some of the students, some of you explain that dam is broader at the bottom due to this because they exert pressure. That is the application of the exertion, liquid pressure. That is not the show. Show means when you are demonstrating something, activity. For activity क्या था? Liquid exert pressure on the wall of container, side पे balloon. Is that clear? And those who had made the diagram, full marks. Those who had not made, half mark for the diagram deduct. Clear? On the other side, liquid pressure increases with depth. Most probably ठीक था ये, right? Half mark for the diagram was there. Then the next is jar of mixer get heated. After some time, explain the reason. One word, friction, for the 1 mark. And 2 ways to show friction is an evil. कोई भी 2 points. ठीक है, shoes, soles, wear and tear in the machine parts, anything that the marks are given. And other set, while playing of tug of war, Preeti felt that the rope was slipping through her hand. Suggest a way out for her to prevent this and why. तो उसके लिए क्या है? Suggest a way. Okay, sand, ठीक है, chalk, ठीक है, anything if you had written that is to increase friction, so marks will be there. And how can you show that is a necessary? So necessary के 2 advantages. ठीक है जी. Right, safety measures should be taken during lightning and thunderstorm. Write any 3 points, 1 marks for the 3 points. On the other side, earthquake, 3 points. Clear hai? Then difference between manures and fertilizer, 3 points. Right, parallel point should be there. Agar parallel nahi hai, to marks cut off. After harvesting, sometimes stubs are left in the field, which are burnt by the farmer. If the stubs meaning were not clear, but the next line they had written when the farmers burnt their field. तो वहीं से उसके effects लिखने थे. So what are the effects? It causes the air pollution, land pollution. सारी explain वो points लिख देने थे. And Sanjay wants to store food grains at home and in his field. What he will do in both cases? दोनों cases. At home, neem leaves, ठीक है, bags. And in factories or at a large scale, granaries with the chemicals, anything. Okay. In which ways loosening of soil help farmer? Explain. Loosening of soil, आपको पता है, earthworm, better air, water soak हो जाए, any points. What is water pollution? Write it 2 causes and 2 preventive measures. ठीक है. Definition of water pollution, उसके 2 causes and 2 preventive measures. On the other side, air pollution, 2 causes and 2 preventive measures. वहाँ पे the mistake was there when you are writing the definition, okay, but when you are writing the causes, you are writing in air pollution, you are writing asthma will be there. That are not the causes. That are the effects of the air pollution. Causes are how air pollution occur. That is the burning of the fossil fuels. Factories outlet, remove smoke from the factories. These are causes the air pollution. Okay, drain the sewer in the water bodies. That is the cause of the water pollution. That is not the diarrhea and all that. That are the effects of the water pollution. Is it clear, bete? This is what ठीक है